My son at 5.5 days old.
Say, look at my feet.
Your feet.
Oh.
Ay, Marito.
Let the world know that I'm stretched.
Yawn. Oh.
You okay?
What's wrong with him?
Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Mara. Hi, cutie pie.
It's un nene lindo de mami. He's gonna be so handsome when he's big. And you're gonna have all the girls.
Hi, cutie. He likes the bouncy thing.
Yeah. He falls asleep with it.
You're falling asleep like that?
I want you to smile. I want you to smile.
Smile for the camera.
I have this picture of him that's so cute. Wait. The
You like to
first
curl
time.
up too much, man.
Hello, he's still in belly mode.
You in belly mode? Say now. See, I'm in chill mode. Look. I'm chilling, mommy. I'm chilling. Good morning. His eyebrow.
Hey, Rock. Nah, you're gonna be cuter than The Rock.
No. Don't
You
cry.
saw his eyebrow? Do the rock, do the rock.
Do the rock, papi.
There you go.
Do the rock, papi. Say hi to the camera.
He's smiling.
Say hi to the camera.
Look at him, The Rock.
Say hello. Hello out there. Hello. Hello. Peekaboo. Hello. Hello. Hello, Mauro. You faker. He's a faker. Drama king. You're a drama king. What's wrong?
He's my gorgeous baby. Look at him.
Say hello, everybody. Hello.
Hi. He said hi with his hand. Look at him.
Wave. Wave to the camera.
He's listening. Hey, wave.
Wave for the camera. No, stupid fly.
She'll start crying. Pushing, huh? I'm gonna wake up your father so he could change your diaper.
See, I'm gonna do the one daddy again. I'm gonna do the one daddy again. You're gonna pee pee on him too? Where's daddy?
Look. He's asking. Milky.
Yep. Hang on.
He's like, give me some.
You don't have no milk in her breast.
See how he looks at me? He's like, yeah, you.
Say, I want milky, mommy. Milky. Milky.
Say bye. Get out of my face.
Bye, everybody.
He's like, get out of